In 2025, Litecoin is determined to go from $90.10 to $191.06. Proceeded with institutional interest and mechanical progressions will drive interest. Assuming economic situations stay good, Litecoin could see huge growth. The next anticipated moment for Litecoin that matters is February 5th, 2025. Cost activity heading into that day will decide the way of Litecoin in the principal half of 2025. For 2025, Litecoin is supposed to vary between at least 99.1 and a greatest cost of 191.06. The basic 38.2% Fibonacci level at $132.23 will be fundamental for affirming bullish patterns. Outperforming this level could prompt an extended objective of $250. In 2026, the best-case result for Litecoin is a top in the space $225.75, which corresponds with its 25% Fibonacci retracement level from its all-time high. A solid breakout over this level should happen for Litecoin to hit ATH once more, an extended Litecoin cost focus for 2026-2030. Litecoin is expected to reach $410.55, reflecting significant development driven by continuous mechanical progressions and expanded reception. This hopeful viewpoint depends on Litecoin's capacity to keep up with its pertinence in the developing cryptographic money landscape. Litecoin has a pinnacle value expectation of $410.55 by 2030. This projection shows the symbolic's true capacity as it cements its situation inside the digital money market, dependent upon advancement. Pre-imperative, a persuading move over its 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level, 132.78. In the short to medium term, Litecoin might encounter cost drops, possibly arriving at lows somewhere in the range of $61.15 and $71.11. This reach addresses a basic help region where purchasing valuable open doors might emerge. However, falling beneath $39.61 would flag a more negative outlook. Looking ahead, Litecoin is supposed to run somewhere in the range of $61.15 to $132.79 in 2025, with key Fibonacci levels impacting cost developments. By 2030, Litecoin could reach $420.63, reflecting long-haul development driven by institutional mix, mechanical advancement, Litecoin ETFs. In 3 years, Litecoin is projected to go somewhere in the range of $61.15 and $132.79. In the event that it effectively outperforms the key Fibonacci level of $105.38, Litecoin could encounter huge vertical energy, with potential to arrive at extended focuses close 172.78, driven by expanded reception and market interest. Yes, the Litecoin ETF endorsement is supposed to get a fire going under the Litecoin cost. While the momentary impact might areas of strength for BE, long-haul powerful might mind overwhelm. The Litecoin value forecast will turn excessively bullish once Litecoin ETFs are active, with the most bullish Litecoin target $384.4.